If you want to grow your own pecan trees from seed, it's a very simple process. It'll just take you a few months. And you want to get a variety that will grow in your climate. These are Pawnee pecans, Caria illinoisensis, and they're hardy down to zone 6. So you'll need to determine which variety you can grow based on your climate. And the first step to growing pecans from seed is to scarify the seed. And because the pecan has a hard outer shell, you need to break through that so the seed can germinate. And the easiest way to scarify the seeds is to soak them in water for about 4 days. And you want to change the water out each day so that the seed doesn't grow bacteria or some kind of mold on the seed itself. And after those 4 days, the seeds need to be stratified. And because pecans usually go through a cold period in the wild, they need to go through about a 3-month cold period to help the seeds germinate. The easiest way to stratify pecan seeds is to put them in a jar or a bag full of moist vermiculite or some type of peat moss. And you're going to put the seeds in that vermiculite in the fridge for about 3 months. And it needs to be about 38 degrees for 90 days, and that should be enough to stratify the pecan seeds. And then the last step is just to take those stratified pecan seeds and plant them about an inch or two in a pot or in the ground and keep them mulched and moist until they germinate, and you just grew a pecan tree from seed. I hope this was helpful. If you need any more help, just leave me a comment. Have a great day. Bye.